This content does not constitute and is not intended to be financial or other advice, and is not to be relied upon as the basis for any investment or other decision. Welcome to Coin Market Updates. You can use cryptocurrencies as a side hustling, and your side hustling might do you wonders, and you may not believe it. In today's video, we are going to talk about one of the cryptocurrencies, and there's nothing wrong about investing in a bank, but since we're living in tough economies, tough situations, you can use coins, cryptocurrencies to be exact, as one of the methods you can use for survival. In today's video, we are going to talk about one of the coins, a coin that has potential, a coin that maybe if you can consider it, you might think otherwise, and you might end up benefiting in the future. But the most important thing is understanding. Understanding is very important. Then once you have this understanding, then you can make some few decisions. In this video, we are going to talk about a coin which is called XRP Ripple. This is one of the coins that has potential, but the most important thing, we have to look into the history of the coin. Right now, as we speak, this coin is around 2.98 US dollars. In other words, in South African rands, is around 54 rands or 55 rands. When it comes to market capitalization, is positioned number 3 with a market cap of about 177 billion US dollars as of the recording of this video. So that is why XRP Ripple is a coin with a potential, because right now is competing with the likes of Ethereum and Bitcoin as well. But the most important thing is to look at the history of the coin. In 2013, 2014, 2015, XRP Ripple was down there. That is why I always encourage people to buy these coins when their value is still low. Because when you buy them, they'll give you multiple coins. And when you sell them later at the higher price, then you can triple your profit. You can 10 times your profit. It depends on how much you invested in that particular coin. In other words, the strategy that I'm talking about is hold, then you sell later. You hold your assets, then you sell them later at the better value. So Ripple XRP back then, 2014, 2015, was down there. Then it started rising in 2016, 2017. Then in 2018, it's where we saw XRP Ripple like doing wonders in coin market capitalization. But I just want us to focus on XRP Ripple from like October last year. October last year, it was around 0.54 cents US dollars. But now let's convert 0.54 cents US dollars in rands. 0.54 US dollars in rands is around 9 rands, 73 or maybe 10 rands. So it means around last year, XRP Ripple, around October, November last year, it was around 10 rands. Then it started rising around December time. So how do you make money using XRP Ripple? In other words, how do you make money using this coin? Right now, I just want us to use a crypto calculator. Let's say you buy maybe 500 coins, and each coin costs you 9 rands 73. 973. In other words, you only have to invest about 4,865. And again, you have to bear in mind there are trading fees and other costs related. But the most important thing is that in order for you to get this quantity of coins, you just hold them, you buy them so that you can hold them, is 500 coins of XRP. You buy them at a rate of 9 rands. October 2024 or maybe November 2024. Right now as we speak, XRP Ripple is at the value of 2.99 US dollars. In other words, is at the value of about 54 rands or 55 rands if we are using South African rands. So just imagine, let's say maybe you would have, like for an example, spent 4,865 to buy 500 coins around 2024 October or November. And now let's change this price. Let's change this price to the current price, which is maybe around 54 rands right now as we speak, as of the recording of this video. If we say 54, then this money moves to 27,000. Why 27,000? Is because you have 500 coins, or you purchase 500 coins and their current value price is 54 rands, then it gives you 27,000. What does this mean? Then it means you only spent 4,600 or maybe 4,800, or maybe let's just say 5,000. You spent 5,000. Then as a result, maybe fast forward after 6 months, 7 months, or 8 months, this is what you get. You get 27,000. This is how you trade cryptocurrencies. You just hold and sell later. There are those who trade daily and do other strategies or apply other strategies, but this is the best strategy according to my understanding, especially if you have low income and if you use cryptocurrency as a side hustle. Just imagine someone who purchased 500 coins last year around maybe October, November of 2024. Right now as we speak, when he sells those coins, they will definitely give him or her 27,000 rands. Just imagine how many 5,000s. For an example, if you say 27,000 divided by 5, then it gives you maybe 400% profit or 500% profit. Who can give you this 500% profit? Absolutely no one. But your side hustle can help you. So the coin of today was XRP Ripple. But before you can start trading cryptocurrencies such as XRP Ripple, Bitcoin, Cardano, Polkadot, and many others, it's important for you to be knowledgeable.